As the largest city on the Texas Gulf of Mexico coast, Corpus Christi, Texas is a mid-sized city that relies on its port industries, higher education, and tourism to drive growth. City officials are working with IBM to create an intelligent city-wide system to deliver services for its 280,000 residents while keeping operating costs low.
Taking care of our city, keeping our city clean is very important to how we respond to our citizens in a way that they feel like they're attended to and responded to in a timely manner. Innovation, I think, is something we need to stay on top of.
Corpus Christi, like many municipalities around the country, are dealing with budget shortfalls and deficits. It's important that we use technology to help us build a more effective and efficient service to our customers. That is, cutting costs while adding value.
Before working with IBM, each city department had its own process for handling incoming work requests and maintenance, typically operating on a reactive basis, often using index cards to track issues. The staff had no way to view the history for each call, making it difficult to identify recurring problems or to analyze potential problems in the future.
We used to take care of work orders through emails with different departments, and you had calls coming in from the mayor's office to the city manager's office and to individual departments. And so you had no centralized location for customers to call or to issue work orders. So because of technology, we can respond more quickly to the customer's request, and then we have real data.
Working with IBM, the city developed an effective way to analyze data and provide intelligence and accountability into the way city services are managed.
One of the exciting parts of our work and asset management system is that it is interfaced with our geographical information system. We are now able to spatially look to get maps of the infrastructure that might be in perhaps not as good a condition as we want, analyze citizen calls, analyze the nature of those calls, which department's getting those calls, and really provide a bird's eye view of what's going on to manage those work and assets and provide the citizens the service that they deserve.
Because we have all of our information viewable to everyone instead of just separate map books, the field crews can easily look up where assets are and not have to try to figure out what map book to look in, what person they need to ask. All the data is either digital and in some place where everyone can view it.
Today, IBM software supports the management of all city public works and utility departments, park operations, airport and traffic engineering, which includes approximately 1,250 miles of wastewater gravity mains, 6 wastewater treatment plants, 1,100 miles of streets, 80,000 utility customers, and a gas distribution system.
As I work with the department executives, I ask them, what information would you need to work smarter and to develop and deliver better services to the citizens?
Those better services mean more productive use of city services, quicker repairs, and preventative maintenance, all helping the city to run more efficiently.
We've seen increased efficiency because the workers can log and track their work in the field with their laptops on the Wi-Fi network. When we come to a site like this, we'll know that at some time in the past there was another leak or there may have been a clamp real close, and then we can review the pipe's history and then make an educated decision on whether we need to replace a larger section of the line or just that one spot.
Everything's easier, you know, because we can just go exactly right to where the problem is. We know exactly where all our problems are at.
I actually can do about 80% of my work through my BlackBerry in the field. I get notification of any work orders processed by myself or anybody else. So I'm not bound at my desk in my office. I'm out hands-on with my guys.
Here at the City of Corpus Christi, we're using technology to produce clean, reliable drinking water.
All parks have a physical address. They're also given a location code. Every work order is tied to a specific location. Every asset is given a specific location within that park. So we record data based on the location, and that's how we retrieve it.
Any city is really a collection of assets, whether it's a street, a bridge, a park, a fire hydrant, a water main, a stormwater ditch, but they're all assets, and they're all assets that we need to manage and manage more effectively, efficiently to deliver those services. This is a continuous improvement process. Working with IBM, we're able to make the city of Corpus Christi a smarter city.